Meaning of lemon verbena.
Lemon verbena.
Lemon verbena.
Lemon verbena.
Lemon verbena. Lemon verbena is a plant species that belongs to the Verbenaceae family. It is native to South America and is known for its strong, lemony fragrance. In culinary uses, lemon verbena leaves are often used to add lemon flavor to dishes such as teas, syrups, baked goods, and savory dishes. Additionally, it is widely used in perfumes and cosmetics due to its refreshing scent. In traditional medicine, lemon verbena has been used to treat digestive issues, fever, and anxiety.